येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. So, we are going to talk about uh, a few shabdas that are there. So, shabdas are the ka shabdas basically. Ka shabdas are matihi, which is intelligence or buddhi. Buddhi is again the same as mati or intelligence. Gatihi. Gatihi is movement or speed or movement. I said movement would be a more appropriate word. Dhritihi is dhairya, kritihi is creation, bhutihi is aishwarya, uktihi is kathana, muktihi is moksha or moksha, yuktihi is yukti, bhaktihi is bhakti, shrutihi is Veda, smritihi is Gita ityadi, shaktihi is bala, shantihi is shanti, pravrittihi is uh, nature or swabhav or yeah. So pranati is pranama, bhumihi is prithvi, and samriddhi is aishwarya. Ratri is night, anguli is ungli or fingers. So mati till anguli, all these words will work like ikaranta strilinga. That is what we will see. Now, what is ikaranta strilinga over here? So, Ikaranta Striling, if we want to see quickly what that is, then there's a Shabda Sankhya 16, right? So, Shabda Sankhya 16 we have to see. Matihi, mati, matayah, matim, mati, matihi, matya, matibhyam, matibhihi, matyai, mataye, so matyai, mataye are the two vikalpas that you have in Chaturthi Ekavachanam. Then matibhyam, matibhyah. So let us first focus on this part. Let us try to see what is happening here. Uh, Matihi. So this is one mati, two matis, three or more. Mati ko or to the mati, to two matis, to three or more matis. Through one mati, through two matis, through three or four matis. For one mati, for two matis, and this is mati bhya, this is for three or more matis. This is from or separated from three from one mati. Mati bhyam, this is separated from two matis. Mati bhya separated from uh, three or more matis. Matyaha or matehe again comes in the Shashti Ekavachanam. This is of one mati, of two matis, of three or more matis. Matyam matau. This is in one mati, matyoho in two matis, in three or more matis. He mate, he mati, he matayah. This is the way in which we interpret. Let me again go here. Vyasa number 26. 26 abhyasa. So, 21st, sorry. Yeah. Now, one more thing. That is, buddhi इत्यादि के रूप मति के तुल्य चलाओ. This is fine. We have to, so for buddhi, you will say, use it in the same way as mati. That is what they're trying to say. And then vidhilinga lakata, that is something should be done in that sense. So seveta, seveyatam, severan, वो सेवा करे. वो दोनों सेवा करें, वो तीन या तीन से अधिक सेवा करें। सेवे था, तुम सेवा करो। सेवे याथाम, या तुमको सेवा करनी चाहिए। सेवे याथाम, तुम दोनों को सेवा करनी चाहिए। यू बोथ शुड सर्व। सेवे ध्वम, तुम तीन या तीन से अधिक को सेवा करनी चाहिए। सेवेय, मुझे सेवा करनी चाहिए। सेवे वही, let me erase this part, need to see। सेवे वही, हम दोनों को सेवा करनी चाहिए। वी बोथ शुड सर्व। और सेवे मही, वी बोथ शुड, we three or more should serve। So let me re-add, so seve vahi, seve mahi। Now what we have done is till now is a revision, or not a revision, I mean just discussion on the mati, the ikaranta strilinga shabdas. So this is Shabda Sankhya 16, Devakarji, that we have done. And what we need to do now is this save dhatu vidhiling. We have also discussed this part. Now, another instruction that is being given इस अभ्यास 18 और 19 में दी गई लभ आदि धातु के रूप इसी प्रकार बनाओ। तो लभ वी कैन मेक लाइक दिस फॉर विधिलिंग। सो इट विल बी लभेत, लभे याताम, लभेरन, लभेथाह, लभे याथाम, लभेध्वम, लभेय, लभे वही, लभे मही। नाउ अनदर थिंग दैट दे आर सेइंग इज अभ्यास 12 और 13 में दिए पंचमी के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो। 12 13 में दिए पंचमी के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो। दिस इज important। So it is, this is a very important abhyasa, because we will see 2 3 sandhis here, 12 and 13 में। Then we also need to see the abhyasa, I mean the practice of the panchami vibhakti concepts, 12 and 13। अपादान कारक में पंचमी होती है। So whenever you have a separation, so the entity x from which entity y is getting separated, so on entity x you will use panchami vibhakti. That is how panchami will come. Now in the same way we have, if you are fearful of somebody or something, if you are fearful of somebody or something, then in that case we say भीत्रार्थानाम भय हेतु। तो जिससे भय उत्पन्न हो या जिससे भय लगता हो, to, so if entity y fears entity x, then in that case we say that for entity x use panchami। चोराद बिभेति, पुष्करः, पुष्कर नाम का जो लड़का है, पुष्करः चोरात बिभेति, चोर से डरता है। और not only for bhaya but also for raksha, if you are protecting somebody from an entity x, so then on entity x you have to use panchami। So if somebody says that ramah pushkaram, पुष्कर को, राम पुष्कर को चोरात त्रायते, चोर से बचाता है, जिससे विद्या पढ़ी जाए, उसमें भी पंचमी होती है। So if you are studying something from somebody, so if you say I'm studying from Guruji, some Guruji you are studying, say history you are studying, so you will say गुरोहो इतिहास ग्रंथम या इतिहास शास्त्रम पठामि, गुरोहो। और अध्या, हाँ, so another could be in terms of, if you are using striling then you can say I think शिक्षिकायाः, शिक्षिकायाः पंचमी, so शिक्षिकायाः इतिहास शास्त्रम पठामि, that way you can say। so जिस वस्तु से किसी को हटाया जाए उसमें पंचमी होती है। तो यवेभ्यः, जौ, जौ से, या यवेभ्य, so yav is I think field, I guess yav is field, uh, it's not, yav is jau, okay, so jau se पशु, पशुम वारयति निवारयति वा, so because you are removing from x, so here you use panchami, five, so yavebhyah, because there are many jaws, right, so yavebhyah, so basically जौ के, ज्वार के खेत से, that's all. So now another abhyasa that we need to see is, if something is starting from some source, origin x, that origin x you have to use panchami. So vidyalaya, so himalayat ganga udbhavati prabhavati udnachati va, it is getting created, or it is coming out of Himalayas. Makes sense. बीजेभ्यः अंकुराः जायन्ते, बीज से अंकुर पैदा होते हैं, जन्म लेते हैं. और नृपात चोरः निलीयते, नृपात चोरः निलीयते. So this is not very clear to me as well, what this nripat chorah viliyate would mean. As in nripa is king, but raja se chor nikalta hai does not make much sense to me. So I also need to see what would be a correct translation of this nripat chorah niliyate.
I
तुलना
think
में जिस,
Niliyate must have been given in the glossary section there
no,
in the
नीलियते is
top of.
clear. निकलता है is fine, but नृपात, नृप
Okay.
is a king, so नृप is a king, but राजा से चोर निकलता है does not make sense, because नीलियते we know it means निकलता है.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो uh, so this is not very clear to me, or does it means that नीलियते is like not निकलता, it may mean that I need to see this. I will not commit a meaning to it right now. As in, we would need to see if we can find this in Ashtadhyayi. Let me just check, or maybe we can check it later. So I will check it later. We will not spend time on this because
Niliyate, I think Niliyate
मिलता है ना,
is not.
मिलता है,
It's not nikalta hai. It's chipna,
इस छिपना.
hiding. Yes.
Uh, if that is the case, just wanted to be very sure. Let me.
There, it's in the top of the page. I mean,
Oh,
in
it's
the top of
given.
the page.
Oh, it's given.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In that case, then it's छिप ना, तो राजा से चोर छिपता है, नीलीयते.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me check. हाँ, छिपना या नीलीयते. So this is नीलीयते, and ठीक है, राजा से चोर छिपता है. एंड देन तुलना में जिससे तुलना की जाती है उसमें पंचमी होती है. So if you are comparing something with some other thing, then use panchami. So so Ramat, Ram से कृष्ण अधिक चतुर है. So you will say Ramat कृष्णः पटुतरः. धन ज्ञान से अधिक, धन से ज्ञान अधिक अच्छा है. धनाद ज्ञानम गुरुतरम. Like that can be done. Or if you are saying something is close or far from some other thing, then you have to say panchami. So gram se dur, so you will say gramad duram or gramad samipam, whatever. If you are wanting to use samip, nearness, तो यहाँ पे भी not necessary to use panchami. You can use panchami, dvitiya, tritiya, all of these things basically. So let me quickly go into Abhyasa 21. Yeah. So दीर्घ गुण वृद्धि संप्रसारण के लिए यह विवरण स्मरण कर ले. ऊपर स्वर दिए गए हैं, गुण वृद्धि आदि कहे जाने पर ऊपर के स्वर के नीचे गुण आदि के सामने जो स्वर दिए हैं वे होंगे. नाउ दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी intelligent way of understanding how sandhis work, but in fact they are not even talking about sandhis here, but they're talking about if you say कि अ का गुण हो जाता है, दीर्घ हो जाता है, अ आ का दीर्घ हो जाना मतलब दोनों को आ ही होना. सो आ रिमेन्स आ, ऑल्सो बिकम्स आ. ई ऊ का दीर्घ हो जाना मतलब सी ई इज दिस इज दीर्घ ई, तो दिस विल naturally be this e, right? But this is hrasva, so this will also become dirgha. So if we say कि hrasva ई का दीर्घ हो जाता है, in that kind of situations, this is dirgha u, this can become dirgha u itself, and this is hrasva u, this will also become dirgha. uh, Here in this particular case what is happening is r and r. So in this case it just remains the original r. ऋकार ए आई ओ औ इनमें फिर दीर्घ का कार्य नहीं होता है. दैट इज वाई दैट ब्लैंक स्पेस इज गिवन. नाउ गुण, अगर हम कहें कि अ आ का गुण हो जाता है तो इट मीन्स अ आ बिकम्स अ, ई बिकम्स ए, ऊ becomes o, r becomes ar, lr becomes al, a becomes a, I does not get any transformation, o remains as o. Now वृद्धि में क्या है? वृद्धि में आ became a, ई become I, ऊ become o, r become a, r lr becomes al, a becomes I becomes I, O and O both become OW. Now all of this may look very awkward. क्या हो रहा है ये? What is this दीर्घ गुण वृद्धि? So we are now gradually getting into the sutra thing. So another one. There is one important thing that will keep coming again and again. Samprasarana. Samprasarana is the transformation on the Vyanjana Varna. Vyanjana Varna, some of the Vyanjana Varnas, if we ever see a sutra where Samprasarana has to happen, then in those sutras, ya, see this ya, this is ya halanta, right? Ya halanta becomes e, va halanta becomes u, ra halanta becomes r. Now all of these Vyanjanas have got converted to swaras, right? Now this will have an application here. कहाँ पे application है? Because you see all of these things that we talk about in Rachananuvada Kaumudi, some application will be shown. So look at this word, ukti. Ukti. Ukti में this comes from a dhatu. वच. वच इज दैट धातु, वच. वच में क्या हुआ? वर्क, दिस व दैट यू सी, राइट, व, ये व उ बन गया वाया संप्रसारण, तब जाके ये उक्ति शब्द बना. ठीक है? सो दैट इज हाउ इट विल, दिस संप्रसारण वर्क्स. सो not always, but yeah, I mean some places you will have this samprasaran. So vach became ukti, and then we will again see some more examples of other samprasaranas. But ये जो गुण कहा, ये गुण कहाँ यूज होगा? फॉर द टाइम बिंग वी यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन गुण. आ का अ, ई का ए, ऊ का ओ, र का अर, लृ का अल, ए का ए, ओ का ओ. दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ. वेयर इज दिस गेटिंग यूज्ड? अ या आ के बाद ई या दीर्घ ई हो तो दोनों को ए हो जाएगा, राइट?
Hmm.
Because that PDF part, I think in the PDF it's not coming clearly, but in your book you would see this A coming, right? A would come.
Yes.
Now अगर अ या आ के बाद ऊ या ऊ हो तो दोनों को ओ, र या र हो तो दोनों को अ,
R. R.
अर, हाँ सॉरी, अर. नाउ अर इज देयर नाउ। लृ हो तो दोनों को अल, तो कहाँ यूज करेंगे दिस? एंड व्हाट इज दिस आद गुण? इसका मतलब क्या है? फॉर दैट वी हैव टू गो एंड सी अष्टाध्यायी अगेन। सो लेट मी I mean, change screen sharing thing. आद गुण, आत गुण, what is happening? आद अचि पूर्व परयोः एकः गुणः। सो अवर्णात् संहितायाः स्वरः विद्यते चेत् उभयोः गुणैकादेशः भवति। That is avarnat. Avarna here means a is what? A is the hrasva, and if you say a, that is dirgha, right? So इनके बाद यदि कोई स्वर हो तो दोनों को गुण होता है. So what are the gunas? In that case, a, and after that if e and or dirgha is there, then you say it will become guna. दोनों को गुण आदेश होगा या दोनों को गुण होगा, तो दैट बिकम्स ए। इन द सेम वे ओ, अर, अल, ऑल दोस थिंग्स कम। सो नाउ ओके, लेट अस सी सम मोर एग्जांपल। सूर्यो सूर्यस्य उदयः, सूर्य जोड़ उदयः, अ है, उसके अनंतर यू हैव उ, अ उ, अ एंड उ। सो आद, आद, सो अ आ के बाद देयर इज अ स्वर, उभयोः गुणैकादेशः भवति, दोनों को गुण होगा। सो व्हाट इज द गुण दैट विल हैपन? इट विल बिकम ओ। इन द सेम वे गंगायाः उदकम, गंगा जोड़ उदकम, गंगा, उदकम इज पानी, गंगा का पानी, सो गंगोदकम। आ है, ऊ है, अगेन ओ कम्स, गुण हो गया। देवर्षि, देवर्षि, देव जोड़ ऋषि, र है, इसका क्या बना? अर बन गया, देव। सो देवर्षि becomes. So let me हाँ, so they devarshi has come now here now. Now what else? Mahat जोड़ ऋषि becomes Maharishi, because of certain sutra. We haven't yet seen this sutra. I mean, we will probably see it in details if we ever do Laghu or other stuff. I need to see if this is in there in Laghu or not. That is also need to be seen. Yeah, it is there in Laghu. So Maha जोड़ ऋषि, आ है, र है, this becomes Ar, Maharshi. So that way this works, this particular sutra. Hmm. तो उपकार है, पर जोड़ उपकार है, इस परोपकार है, ओ हुआ। इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू वर्क आउट फॉर द अदर्स। नाउ अभ्यास। मतिम इच्छा, मतिम इच्छा। व्हाट डज दिस मीन? आई मीन, और rather do this one, Divakar ji. You have to look at Shabda Sankhya 16 and do this. Buddhya karyam kuru. What does this mean?
I'm not able to see the screen. I mean, the book. But let me. I have to do which one?
Uh,
Buddhya Kari Kuru.
Acha, Buddhya Karyam Kuru. Oh, you don't have the book right now. Okay, fine. That case,
No, no, I do have the book,
हाँ हाँ.
but I'm not seeing anything on the screen. So I'll look at the
Okay,
book.
okay. See, so
Buddhya.
let me share it. Let me share it once again then. Just let me know if you can see my screen. Is it better?
Yeah, it's here now. Yes.
Yeah. So this buddhya karyam kuru. So see, buddhi is a ikaranta strilinga shabda. So now we are
Yes.
saying ikaranta striling. Its tritiya
Nad,
is matya or here buddhya. बुद्धि के
yes.
द्वारा कार्यम कुरु. कुरु इज व्हाट लकार?
Lot lakar.
लोट लकार. Perfect. So then what is the next things translation then?
ट्रांसलेशन बुद्ध्या कार्यम करो
No, no,
अर्थात
no, no. Third
बुद्धि
one,
के
third
द्वारा
one, third one. Karinah.
करिणः गतिम इक्षस्व
Hmm.
अर्थात करीण 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 करीण
What is curry by the way?
yes that's I'm forgetting the meaning of करीण काट नहीं it's not काट
Karin, Karin,
करीण is हाथी
hathi, and
हाथी
this is called an Ananta Pullinga Shabda, right? Ananta Pullinga Shabda, and
yes
Gatim Ikshasva. So we know Iksha means to see.
करीण would be अनंत और इन्नंत
Innant, I mean Innant or Annant, whatever you say. I mean, uh, because there are these other words also, right? Karin is there,
हम्म
but what
हम्म
about something like let us go back
ra-
here.
राजन
Rajan.
राजन would be
Ha,
अनंत
ha. That is why I said Annant. Yeah.
okay okay so this would then become करिणः गतिम इक्षस्व
हाँ.
करीणः करीणः अर्थात करीण का हाथी की और पंचमी हाथी से आई
Shashti
एम
also
नॉट
see. See Shashti also.
षष्ठी यस हाथी की या हाथी का हाथी की गति हाथी की चाल इक्सश्व आई एम नॉट able to recall the meaning of इक्सश्व हाथी की गति देखो
हाँ.
इज दिस करेक्ट हाथी की गति देखो
हाथी की गति देखो. Okay. हाथी की गति देखो is correct. And what is this iksh dhatu? In what kind of dhatu is this? As in parasmaipadi, atmanepadi. What do you think? What is this prayoga?
आत्मने
Atmanepadi, right?
आत्मने यस
So what is the lat lakara of this? How will you go? Ikshate, ikshete, right?
यस ईक्षेते ईक्षते ईक्षन्ते
So now what are we saying? We are saying Rame dhritihi bhaktihi shaktihi bhutihi shantihi cha santi.
हम्म
So राम में धृति है, भक्ति है, शक्ति है, भूति है, शांत और शांति है. Now what is this then? Madhuram uktim bhashethaha. What is this?
मधुराम उक्तिम भाषिताः
For this
भाषा
you will have to look at Vidhiling. See here. Today's Patha, Vidhiling. Sevethaha, right?
हाँ यस मधुराम उक्तिम भाषेताः would be okay भाषेताः this is मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन
Yeah. So this is
मधुर
huh?
मधुर उक्ति अथवा मधुर मधुर वचन बो बोल
तुम्हें मधुर वचन बोलना चाहिए.
बोलना चाहिए यस
हाँ. So then the same way you have to do for other also like bhaktya ishwaram ikshethaha, भक्ति के द्वारा ईश्वर को तुम्हें
को
देखना
देखना
चाहिए,
चाहिए।
etc. Yeah, so in the same way I will just do two three here because I mean it's a holiday. I do realize that yeah, it's a day of rest and enjoyment for everybody, so just quickly leave today. So बालक की मति अच्छी है, बालक की मति अच्छी है, बालकस्य मतिः we can say shobhana asti, that is one thing that we can do, or yeah, that is good. I think that is shobhana is good. You can say that, or what else can we say? Or kusha, so that is one thing. Buddhya karyam kuru, this is fine. Balakasya gatim ikshasva, in the same way. Raghuvamsham nama ग्रन्थः कालिदासस्य कृतिः अस्ति, अस्मिन् नगरे राजा, right? Raja ki. So what is the shashti for raja? Even I need to see this. I've forgotten a bit. Raja.
राजा राजाया।
Oh, no, 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 no. Let us just confirm
No,
this.
no, it's Rajan. This should be Rajan from Rajan.
Rajan, huh?
Ragya, Ragya.
राज्ञः, right? राज्ञः. So राज्ञः भूतिः, भूतिं समृद्धिं शक्तिं च पश्य और ईक्षस्व if you're using आत्मनेपदी. So श्रुतिं स्मृतिं च शान्त्या पठ.
But
So this way you can do it. uh, yes, so these things can be done, and I'm not going much into the details of it, as in what to do and all. Now, other thing is this one, महाजोड़ ईशः. इसका क्या करेंगे? What is happening? गुण will happen. आद गुण, that sutra will come. So this is
yes,
महेशः. रमाजोड़ ईशः रमेशः तथा इति तथेति, पर उपकारः परोपकारः, हित उपदेशः हितोपदेशः, राजा जोड़ ऋषि और राज जोड़ ऋषि राजर्षि, सप्त जोड़ ऋषि सप्तर्षि, ब्रह्म जोड़ ऋषि ब्रह्मर्षि. Now that is how it will work. Now okay, so we have kind of done this. I will just quickly do four verses of Ramodantam and maybe finish it off. हाँ, so Ramodantam, right? हाँ. So let me see what part. Where did we? So we stopped at this. So she went to Kharadushana, right? So she went to Kharadushana and verse number 9. So we will do up till verse number 14 today and end. Uh, what is happening? So she went to Khara and Dushana, her brothers, and what happened? Tat Akaranya. She heard, or rather, sorry, he heard this Khara. After hearing all this incident, Tat Akaranya Kharaha Krudhaha. So what is the Visheshana of Kharaha? Krudhaha. So a particular sandhi, a Visarga sandhi has happened. We haven't seen that particular Visarga sandhi yet, but a sandhi has happened. Kharaha Krudho राघवं हन्तुम् आययौ दूषणत्रिशिरोमुख्यैः यातुधानैः समन्वितः. So, uh, Raghavam Hantum. This is a Tun Pratyaya on a particular dhatu. So what is happening? He wants to kill Raghava. And what did he do? Ayayau. With whom? With
I
Dushana
think
Trishiru.
screen the screen that you're showing is still presenting the book,
Okay. Sorry,
not
sorry, sorry.
the Ramodanta.
Okay, okay. Extremely sorry. I made a mistake there. I'll quickly change to Ramodantam. I hope this is now visible. Yeah. So
Yes.
we had done up till verse number 9 yesterday. Now we want to move to This one. Tada karnyah खरः क्रुद्धो राघवं हन्तुमाययौ दूषणत्रिशुरो मुख्यैः यातुधानैः समन्वितः. So now what is happening is he has gone to uh, so he has gone to Ayayo. He came to, or rather gone to kill Raghava along with Dushana Trishira and other Mukhya, such Asuraha. Along with them, he went to kill Raghava. Okay, now what else is happening? Tat kshanam Lakshmane Sitam Nidhaya Raghunandanah Kharam Sahanukham Sankhye Jaghan Alaghu Vikramah. So, sorry, this is Jaghan Laghu Vikramaha. Okay, there is a problem here. There's a typo error, by the way. Okay, this is not Jaghan Alaghu Vikrama. This is here. This will be just you have to separate this word. This is Jaghan Laghu Vikrama. Only this much. Not Jaghana Laghu Vikrama. So not na. This is just na. Jaghana Laghu Vikrama. So what is happening is at that point, at that moment, Lakshmani Sitam Nidhaya, leaving Sita to be protected by Lakshmana, or in the protection of Lakshmana. Kharam Sahanugam Sankhye, rather entrusted Sita to Lakshmana, as in you take care of her, and Kharam Saha Anugam Sankhye Jaghana Laghu Vikramaha. So what is happening here? Sankhye means Yuddhe. So he went to fight in the Yuddha with Khara, who is with his Anugas, with his followers, Saha Anuga. So, Sahanuga. So Anugaihi Saha Vartate. So he went to fight these people in the Yuddha, Sankhye, Yuddhe. He went to fight these people and killed them. Jaghan, and killed them. Laghu Vikramaha. What is Laghu Vikramaha? Laghu Vikramaha Yasya Saha. He who can display valor, Virata, Vikrama easily. Very easy for him to display his Virata. So he went and killed these people. Tatah Shurpanakha Gatva Lankam Shokasamanvita. ततः शूर्पणखा गत्वा लंकां शोकसमन्विता न्यवेदयत् रावणाय वृत्तान्तं सर्वमादितः. सर्वम आदितः, शुरू से everything she said. To who? Nyavedayat, Ravanaya, to Ravana. And how was the Shurpanaka? Shoka Samanvita. She was very sad. So after this war, Tataha, she Lankam Gatva. After going to Lanka, she said this all story from the beginning to Ravana. Tat Shrutva Ravana Sitam Haratum Kritamatiस्तता Marichasya Ashramam Prapya Sahaye Tamachodayat. What is happening? Achodayat, commanded whom? Maricha. He went to Maricha's ashrama and for help he commanded him. Maricha. What kind of a Ravana was this? He basically, after hearing this, tat shrutva, after hearing this, Ravana Kritamatis tada, he became Kritamatis, he made up his mind basically to kidnap Sita, And then he went to Maricha's ashrama and commanded him, Tam achodayat, to give help. सोऽपि स्वर्णमृगो भूत्वा सीतायाः प्रमुखे चरत् सा तु तं मृगमाहर्तुं हर्तारं समयाचत. Pramukhe, in front of Sita and all, this Maricha, Swarnamrigo Bhutva, he became a golden deer and started moving in front of Sita and all. In front of Sita basically. Satu tam mrigam ahartum, to get this mriga, to bring this mriga, Bhartaram samayachata. Bharta is her husband, Bhartri, from that Bhartaram. So Kartri we have seen it, Kartri and all those things. So in that way, Bhartaram, Kartaram. So Bhartaram Samayachata. So she requests, or she asks, or rather requests to Rama that please bring this Mriga. And then what happens? नियुज्य लक्ष्मणं सीतां रक्षितुं रघुनन्दनः अन्वगच्छन् मृगं तूर्णं द्रवन्तं काननान्तरे. नियुज्य लक्ष्मणं सीतां रक्षितुं रघुनन्दनः. So, having left Sita in, or rather, having asked or appointed Lakshmana in the protection of Sita, Anvagachan Mrigam Turnam Dravantam Kananantare. Kananantare is Kananasya Antaram Tasmin. Kananantare, that is in the interior of the forest. He went Dravantam, he went running into the forest. Turnam, quickly. And Anvagachan. What is Anvagachan? Anu and Agachat. Anu Agachat. So this is not Anvagachan. This is Anu Agachat. Mrigam Turnam. So Anu Agachat Mrigam Turnam. So Anu Agachat is followed. Anu means, we say Anugami hona, right? Anugami is a follower. The same with Anu Agachat. He followed this Maya Mriga. Anu Agachat Mrigam. He followed the Mriga quickly. And Dravantam ran into the interiors of the, or rather, I should say this, that he followed the Mriga who he followed the Mriga quickly who was running into the interiors of the forest. This is better, I think. Okay, so we can stop here because this is a pretty longish portion, as in 10 more verses are there. So we can do it in the next class, maybe tomorrow I will try to cover this, and so that Aranya Kanda is complete. Then we can move to Kishkindha Kanda. So, okay. So this is what wanted to cover today. So we have done Abhyasa 21 also. So as I said, we will try to cover till Abhyasa 22. So Abhyasa 21 for this week is complete. 22 is left. That we will do tomorrow. And I will stop the recording. So Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.